Describe a time you had to finish something quickly.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
On what occasions do people have to do things in a hurry?
There are numerous scenarios where individuals find themselves needing to act swiftly. Whether it's waking up late in the morning and having to hastily prepare and eat breakfast, or facing the pressure to complete tasks by looming deadlines, time constraints are a constant challenge. Additionally, unexpected emergencies like accidents or impromptu meetings demand immediate action. In each of these instances, the imperative to act quickly is undeniable.
Why do some people spend a long time on having a meal?
The duration of a meal varies from person to person, contingent upon individual preferences and habits. In my view, certain individuals prolong their dining experience to ensure thorough chewing, thereby facilitating better digestion, a commendable practice. Conversely, others extend their mealtime to enjoy engaging conversations with cherished companions at the dining table.
Would people feel more satisfied if they finished doing something quickly?
Certainly, completing tasks promptly not only fosters a sense of satisfaction, but also affords individuals valuable opportunities for solitude. Additionally, it enables them to meticulously review their work and allocate time for familial engagements and other essential responsibilities.
What kinds of jobs need to be done quickly?
Several professions require swift action. For instance, in the medical field, promptness is crucial as it directly impacts people's lives. Similarly, in emergencies like fires, the use of fire extinguishers must be immediate. Furthermore, businesses involved in online delivery, particularly food services, must prioritize speed to establish trust among customers.
What are some examples of work that needs to be done quickly?
In scenarios with deadlines, individuals are obliged to complete tasks within designated timeframes, such as assignments, presentations, or exams, to achieve maximum scores. Similarly, urgent tasks, especially those involving saving lives, necessitate swift action. Likewise, any deliveries must be executed within specified timelines. Furthermore, honoring commitments to complete work at predetermined times demands prompt attention.
What might make some people more productive than others in completing tasks?
Focusing on a single task at a time enhances productivity by allowing individuals to dedicate their full attention to one situation. This focused approach enables them to handle the task more effectively, minimizing the likelihood of confusion and errors.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.